Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something a little special for you. We have this unboxing of this Casio Duro Dive Watch, and then we're going to add the Nato strap to it after we take off the factory rubber strap. Let's get into it. Right. The Nato strap we have here is a 22 millimeter black and gray. It is from Benchmark Basics. It's available on Amazon.com. It is nice enough to actually include a removal tool, which we're actually not going to use. And then there they are, two additional bracelets. Of course, we have our own watch tool. So let's take a look at the watch itself. It comes in this blue box, obviously a manual. We don't necessarily need. And there we go, okay? Black face, this rubber strap, which we're gonna get rid of, and then of course we'll get the time set. Okay, this is what it looks like out of the packaging. We're just gonna use our tool here to apply a little pressure, pull these spring bars back, and then get the strap off. All right, just like that. All right, next step, let's get that Nato strap put back on. Now that we have the watch off the strap, we're gonna go ahead and reattach the spring bars into the lugs using our tool. Just get that. Kind of hard to show you on camera here, but we're just getting that sort of lined up. And we can use our tool here to compress the spring. Okay, so you got the first one in. Let's move on to the second. Okay, let's get that second spring bar installed. Same thing as before. We're just going to use the spring bar tool here. We'll get it in one of the lugs to start. Just compress it a little bit until it drops in. All right, as we can see, we have it on both. Now let's get that strap installed. Okay, so it needs to go on like this. Going to make sure the top of the watch goes like this. And then in like that. Then you'll have this extra piece, then you kind of want to adjust it to where you can actually wear it on your wrist. So we'll get that moved up, right? Then this other piece, so it looks like this, will go here. Kind of adjust it a little bit, and then when you put the watch on, just kind of goes like that on your wrist, and you can tuck the excess. So there we have it. We still, of course, need to set the time, the date. We'll remove the plastic on the bezel, and then make sure the bezel's adjusted. But again, quick 5-minute project, easy to take off the factory rubber strap here. You can save it if you want to put it on something else. But kind of little new look, and there you go. Hope you enjoyed it.